Hey, this is Michael with the World of How To. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a pressure gauge on your well pump. First thing you need to do is turn off the power to the well. I recommend doing that at the breaker. If you don't know which breaker, cut off the main breaker and then all other breakers. And then, after you turn off the power to your well, allow your well to drain by opening all the faucets in your house. When your well is drained, then you can loosen the pressure gauge. Now I've already loosened it with my wrench off camera. You just want to peel back the insulation. This stuff rips off. Peel back the insulation, loosen it, and then take it off. You see, it's all gunked up. The water here in this house sucks. Alright, after you take it off, take your new one, put your plumber's tape on. You want to go the direction your threads are going to go whenever you tighten it. So, let's see. You want to go clockwise. So whenever you tighten, you want to go clockwise. So whenever you tighten it, the tape tightens up with the threads. And you want to tighten it up. You don't want to over tighten it. Get my finger out of the damn way. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I'm sorry, y'all. That should be good right there. Alright, turn your water back on. Close your spigots. Turn your breakers back on. Close your spigots. And you should be good to go. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.